Lily, what do you got? What is that? What? Pull some out. Show me. Pull some out. Show me.
Mommy.
What is it?
Candy?
Candy? What are these?
Yep.
What are they? Are they eggs?
Yep.
What do you have in there?
Yeah.
What is that? Lily, no. What is that? Look at all of that candy from the Easter Bunny. Oh my goodness. You have enough candy for the whole year. Look at that. Goodness gracious. Candy! Hey Lily. Candy? Hey Lily. Lily Rose. Candy. Can you listen to me? Can you say happy?
Happy
Easter. Easter? Candy. Can you say happy?
Happy
Easter.
Happy
Easter. Hey, say Easter. No? Say I love you. Can you say hi? Say I love
you
you.
and me.
Hey, what's behind you?
You.
Who's that?
This.
Who's that? What's that?
Yeah.
What's that? Huh? Kiki? Pick up your candy.
Oh.
Ted candy. Look at that. Laffy Taffies and Twizzlers. Tootsie Rolls. Twizzlers. Tootsie Rolls. And she got suckers yesterday too. Candy. There's one underneath your dress.
Candy.
Is that your candy? Here, stand up. Stand up. Show everybody your pretty dress. Say hi.
Hi.
Look at me. Can you wave? I know you told Dad. Tell me to shh, because Daddy's on the couch. We had a busy morning. Say bye.
Bye.
Love you.